So we continue Hilchot Teshuvah. We are at the end. Yeah, at the end of the chapter number 1. Let's see. So in Halachah number 4. So I'm on page. Let's see what page. 1 second. I have page 212. 612. 612. Sorry. So let's read without commentary, and then we're going to go there. Even though Teshuvah atones for all sins, and the essence of Yom Kippur brings atonement, there are different levels of sins, hence different degrees of atonement. That's a very, very important halachah. Not that others were not important, but this one is like, you'll see. There are sins that can be atoned for immediately, and the other sins which can only be atoned over the course of time. What is implied? A person violates the positive commandment, which is not punishable by chorus, and repents. He will not leave the place before he is forgiven. Concerning these sins, Yirmiyahu 3:22 states, "Return, faithless children. I will heal you, your rebellious. I will heal your rebellious acts." Okay. A person violates prohibition that is not punishable by chorus. So now we're talking about the negative commandments, not punishable by chorus, or execution by the court, and repents. A teshuvah has tentative effect. The Yom Kippur brings atonement, right? So not punishable by chorus and no death penalty. So he gets like temporary atonement until after Yom Kippur. As Vayikra there states, this day is atoned for you. Okay, so it's second scenario. So first scenario is positive commandment, not punishable by chorus, right? So we said it's Korban Pesach, and circumcision is punishable by chorus. Okay. Okay, so if he did Teshuvah, he's forgiven. Now, second situation, negative commandments. I would say lighter negative prohibitions. Prohibitions. So for them, the atonement only after Yom Kippur. Of course, we're going to go into details later, but for now, there is second scenario. Third one, a person violates the sins punishable by chorus or execution. Now it's more severe, by the court, and repents. So he was Michal Shabbos, let's say. Teshuvah and Yom Kippur have tentative effect, right? So Teshuvah plus, so Yom Kippur is not enough in this case. And the suffering will come upon him, complete the atonement. So he must go through suffering. He will never achieve complete atonement until he endures sufferings. For concerning this, in Psalms 89:33 states, I will punish their transgressions with wrath. Okay, so HaShem, like, very clear what he's going to do. Okay, when does the buff apply? When he desecrates God's name is not involved, when desecration of God's name is not involved in a transgression. So that's scenario number 3, and now we're going to go to scenario number 4 that someone, I don't know who, asked last time. Okay, I said that we're going to discuss next time, so next time is today. However, a person who desecrates God's name, even though he repented, okay, I mean, he's sorry, very sorry, Yom Kippur arrives while he can continue his repentance, and he experienced suffering, will not grant complete atonement until he dies. So he does Teshuvah, plus he needs Yom Kippur, plus he needs suffering for sure, and plus he needs to die to get the complete atonement. Three things: repentance, Yom Kippur, and suffering, a tentative effect. Have tentative effect, so like temporary, like they hold it in place. He basically he's not being punished, right? Tentative effect, and death atones. As Yeshayahu 22:14 states, it was revealed in my ears by the Lord of the hosts. Surely this inquiry will not atone for this for until you die. Okay, that's the whole halachah. So let's go from the beginning, and we're going to read the commentary and explain what it says here. Even though Teshuvah atones for all sins, number 50, it has a mitigating effect on all sins, as mentioned in the following clause of the Halachah. Okay, so for all sins, but it depends on the act. And the essence of the Yom Kippur brings atonement, right? There are different levels of the sins and sins. Okay, commentary. As explained, even Yom Kippur does not bring complete atonement. It has a tentative effect. So tentative, it means like temporary, right? Until the next action, right? There are different levels of the sin, and hence the difference is in the degree of atonement, as we just explained. So continue. There are sins that can be atoned for immediately, and the other sins which can only be atoned over the course of time. So immediately 52, completely without need to any influences besides the Teshuvah. So we're talking about, of course, his positive commandments. As soon as he did the Teshuvah, that's it. Nothing else is needed, basically.